Hello and welcome to Government with Dr. Turner. We are continuing our look at political parties in the United States. The concept of political parties can be confusing because parties exist in three different forms: the party organization, the party in power, and the party in the electorate. The party organization is the formal structure of a political party. This includes its leadership, election committees, active members, and paid staff. Political parties are responsible for recruiting, nominating, and promoting candidates for office. Modern political parties have two fundamental activities: governing and electioneering. The party organization performs the central party function of electioneering. But what is electioneering? Electioneering is the process of running a candidate's campaign for office. 100 years ago, parties completely controlled elections. Today, candidates have the lead role. During the 19th and early 20th centuries, cities and counties had well-organized parties called machines. These machines were led by bosses who controlled party nominations and patronage. Abuse by these machines and their bosses led to reform. During the 19th century, party machines depended heavily on patronage in order to reward loyal party supporters. Because of civil service reform, party leaders no longer control all positions. Primary elections gave direct control of nominations to the voters. In a party primary, registered party members, rather than party bosses, nominate party candidates. Most candidates for major political positions are chosen by registered party members during primaries. The people who carry out the party's electioneering efforts are the party activists. Since party activists are more likely to participate in primaries than the average party identifier, the likely winner of most primaries will have stronger opinions than the average voter. At the national level, the party's most important institution is the National Convention, at which the party nominates its presidential and vice presidential candidates, establishes party rules, and writes and ratifies the party's platform. The list of policy positions an American party officially endorses at its nominating convention and its presidential candidate seeks to enact is called the party platform. Between conventions, the party is headed by the National Committee. Democrats and Republicans call these committees the Democratic National Committee and the Republican National Committee, respectively. Each party has a central committee in each state, and some counties and cities also have precinct committees. Another form of the political party is the party in government or the party in power. The term party in government can best be defined as party members who hold elected office. Their key function is governing. The party that controls the government determines who occupies leadership positions. Their ultimate goal is to execute their policy agenda. Finally, we have the party in the electorate. The party in the electorate are the ordinary citizens who identify with one of the political parties. Party identification is the closeness that many voters feel for a particular political party. They have psychological ties with one party or the other. They are willing to say, "I am a Democrat," or "I am Republican." Individuals develop party identification with the party that reflects their interests. In terms of party identification, right now slightly more Americans identify as Democrats than as Republicans. In recent decades, party identification among American voters has generally decreased. Voter attachment is declining. More people today consider themselves independents. Party identifiers support the party's basic ideology and policy principles. Identifiers are a necessary base of support, but capturing the party base isn't enough to win a national election. As important as each party's base is, neither is large enough to allow either party to win general elections with it solely. Two parties can maximize their vote only if they position themselves in the middle of the political spectrum. Although the ideological distance between the major American parties is smaller than what is found in other democracies, that distance has grown in recent decades. Let's review. Political parties are responsible for recruiting, nominating, and promoting candidates for office. Modern political parties have two fundamental activities: governing and electioneering. Most candidates for major political positions are chosen by registered party members during primaries. In recent decades, party identification among American voters has generally decreased. In terms of party identification, currently slightly more Americans identify as Democrats than as Republicans. As important as each party's base is, neither is large enough to allow either party to win general elections with it solely. Although the ideological distance between the major American parties is smaller than what is found in other democracies, that distance has grown in recent decades.